Here we go with this next modification. And this one's going to be a really quick one. And it is going to be changing out the standard bolts on these plates at the rear for IL Motorsport Frankenstein bolts. This will allow me to fit the hardtop that I've got to the NB. It's never run with the hardtop. I know I don't have the side striker plates. We'll never be doing highway speeds with this vehicle with a hardtop in place. Or at least I hope so. But many run it without the side striker plates, just with the Frankenstein bolts at the rear and the front clasps, of course, spec'd up and nice and tight. And the hardtop is pretty secure and the latches are pretty good. So I do have a little bit of faith in it. If it comes off, it comes off. No big deal. This is a quick one, so we're just going to buzz through it and, well, show you how it's done. It's undoing a screw and it's tightening it up again, but there's really nothing to it. Seriously, that's all there is to it. It's just taking out a bolt and putting a new one back in again and tightening it up. Now I have done the door bushes and I have done those. So what I want to do is I want to drive it first with the soft top before I put the hard top on and see what the derelict door bushes are like before I go and add two and then say, wow, it's an amazing drive, but it's actually the hard top and not the bushes. So I'll have some driving impressions on both of those coming soon.